Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Brevo login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems with your Brevo account, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. If your connection is weak or unstable, try switching to a different network or resetting your router. Next, verify that you are using the correct email address. Double-check for any typos or extra spaces in your email input. Then, ensure you are entering the correct password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email sent to you. If you receive an error about your account being locked, you may need to wait a short while before trying again. If applicable, check your spam or junk folder for any emails from Brevo that could help. Make sure your browser is up to date. Using an outdated browser can sometimes lead to login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that could be causing problems. Try logging in using an incognito or private browsing window. This can help identify if extensions or settings in your main browser are interfering with the login process. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, ensure you have access to the method you chose for the verification. Enter the verification code as soon as you receive it. If the issue persists, try logging in from a different device or browser. This can help determine whether the problem is device-specific. If none of these steps work, visit the Brevo Help Center for additional troubleshooting information. You can also reach out to Brevo support for personalized assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your issue for faster resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Brevo login problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.